Here is our Coleman KT 196. It obviously has some issues, so we'll try and fix that. Maybe give it a paint job.
And also try to fix this.
And see if we can get it running and working good again.
I'll cry. At least you can just protect it and roll it down hills.
Other way. Turn it the other way. There you go. Oh, nope, you had it right. Go ahead, go the other way, Ron. Alright, so we got that off. Now we need to get the rest of this off of here.
But we don't have to do the wheel because it's fine.
Why don't you grab this wrench? You got it on there. Come here, come around to the other side. And then you just turn it like that. Yep. It's loose enough you can use your fingers now. Okay. Keep the parts and don't lose them. Okay, I think we can pull. Oh, grab that washer. Okay. Save these washers. Go put those on the table. Now we can just pull the wheel off.
Are we gonna be able to keep the wheel?
Maybe.
Yeah, we should use it. Yeah, we should use it.
Yeah, we figured out that little ball is just spinning in there. We'll get our adjustable wrench in here.
Let me get that off.
Get your adjustable wrench
Don't put it on, okay?
in there to hold the ball. Keep the ball from spinning.
Daniel, wash.
Alright, now
So,
you hold
we
that.
do this. We do.
Now you can turn it.
Is that also a camera, Daddy?
Yeah, so you gotta keep that tight. So you keep that tight.
Daniel.
You might need my help here, so just a second. Finally got it off of there with a lot of elbow grease. Ended up breaking the bolt to get it off, but that's fine. We don't need it anymore.
Yes.
So there's the old piece.
Oh no! Whoa!
Looks like the rest of it's still good.
I'm not driving. Daddy, it's not going in or out.
We gotta have a little wrench on the other side.
Yeah. The buckle is there. Now?
Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it.
I got it. Put it.
Alright, I'll get one on the back on this one. Hold on. Okay, go. Whoa. Just wait. You're going crazy.
Now?
Alright, now go. Where? Okay, got that loose. There. Okay, that's free. Pull these off on this side where it was broken.
Say less. Oh, I'm fine. You need to take this off. Say less. Damn, stop it. Say less.
Okay.
Say less. Say less. We don't have to change this. All I have to do is just change these.
Whoa. You got it.
Just
Good.
change them. Say less.
Nice job. Just sweep it all out. We're just sweeping out all the dirt. Got the seat removed just by removing 2 bolts right there along that rail.
Well, I just like.
And then we're removing the seat belts because somebody cut those off. So we'll remove those seat bolt seatbelt bolts,
Well, you will cut them off because we don't.
and
have
we'll
to do
replace that. Then this thing will be almost ready to paint.
Why are we painting it black?
Is there gonna be some green though?
Yep, some of it will be green, some of it will be black.
We're trying to do green. But Daddy, we could also like make the bar that we sometimes put there green whenever we do put it there.
Yeah. So we got it all sanded. We're gonna try and paint it now. Alright, we got our coats of green and black paint. I wish we could get a new seat, but not quite yet. Got all the tires aired up. And we're just waiting on the parts to fix that mess. Okay, we got a new filter, a new spark plug, and some starting fluid. We'll see if we can get this thing started. Alright, so the last thing we'll try is changing the spark plug.
Oh no!
You haven't changed it yet?
Wait.
I did, but I think this one might be the wrong size.
Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Daddy, why is this thing so long?
This helps to get it out. Here, Gabe, can you grab this and twist it?
Me?
Yeah, grab this and twist it left. There you go. Yeah.
We got it!
Alright, good job.
Bad spark plug.
Alright, twist. Oh, let me see that. Wow.
What is it?
Seems like it's the same size. I'm not sure what the deal is, but why is it black like that?
Uh-oh.
Well, let's try it. Why don't you screw that one back in there?
Let's hope this works. And it doesn't explode.
Turn it right. Righty tighty.
This way.
This way. Other way. That way. Yep. No. That way.
Yeah. Daddy, can I look at this?
You can look at it.
That's my favorite one. I got it. It's only white. See if it's working so you can.
Yeah, just don't push any buttons, hon.
Okay. Daddy, are you trying to take that off?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Put it, Daddy, you put it on when you do it? So, Daddy, so is that the lid? That to do that's that bedroom. 6, 7, F. Daddy, 6 seconds. I don't know. I'm gonna get a spider web off the go-kart.
Alright. So we changed the spark plug. Turn this on.
Oh no,
Alright, we're gonna try and start it again. Don't touch the gas yet.